Hi, my name is Felix. My shop is very, let's just say very surprising for a male to be in here. Very equal. They like to give new ideas. They help you when you feel a little bit uncomfortable, but it is also a good experience when you are very uncomfortable, because when you're uncomfortable, it just means you're progressing and you're learning. Something that I can say from like 8th grader when I was in 8th grade, something I can say is just persevere and to learn from your mistakes, get yourself back up, build new friends, build new experiences with other people, and just don't hold yourself like down, don't hold no grudges, no hatred towards nobody, and just have fun during high school, man. You only get it one time. In my personal opinion, being here from freshman year to now being a junior, I do recommend Dean. It's a good learning experience for younger kids up and coming to like want to be like, let's say, engineers, cosmetologists, advanced like manufacturing. If you want to build your own business straight out of high school, so I do think it's a good learning experience for you to come into this type of environment. This is why I'm at Dean.